Some day I chillax, I eat my watermelon, and I watch something on the media. And hear somebody a cuss, did a cuss an individual about the whole board house where they live in. And I find that very offensive. You know why? Because I did live in a board house. I still live in a board house, a fire in a board house, them yeah. But not just that, but how them discriminate the person whom remember that was then. This is now. Right? And even so, people never ask to be in this situation, People never ask her. And if you go call somebody as an adult, tell them, oh, they did in a old board house. What wrong with that? At least when we're in a fall, they now wait up. And even if they might wait up, what wrong with that? They might live. They everywhere. They everywhere. And you see, with mindset, it's very small. Some of us have a very small mindset. And I'm just saying this to say that, like, telling people about what them have in a them past life, because in somebody now tell them what them have in a them past life, because of them past life them a talk about. So they now come from nowhere and now look up his old board house. You're born in there. You're born in that situation and you never ask to be in that situation. It just mind bubbling. Oh, it just so low for hear people cause people tell them so them now come from nowhere they never have nothing and them something there. Like, why do that? Why do that? And everybody born for have things. And everybody born for have things. But at the end of the day, it's what you decide as an adult what you're going to do about it. Do you plan to stay in the same environment when you get older? When you can achieve and put your mind towards things and try to get yourself out of that? Do you plan to stay there forever? Or you're okay and you're comfortable with it? It's up to for them mind. It's just up to for them settings. But you cannot force people and curse people and tell them about something where they're born into. Them never have a choice. Them never choose it. Them born into it. It's sad. It's sad how we have to treat each other and do each other things like that and curse each other and say them something there. It's just wrong. I was watching it and I'm like, boy, it's so sad. Like, why would you do these things to others? Like, why would you throw things like that in a people's face? I mean, if me want to come out and talk about my story, that's okay. We can share my story with you. It might educate you. It might change your mindset towards certain things. Alright, say for instance, say me didn't want one room board house and me decide to come out of it and elevate myself and push myself and have 3, 4, 5 jobs and try to make myself a better to achieve certain things, be a go-getter, try to elevate myself from where I was and so forth, right? So for instance, me come out and me want to tell you my story. It's up to me, but have somebody discriminate me and tell me where me I come from and where me did have and how me never have nothing and this and that. It's just so wrong. Me just not see the reason of somebody doing that to others. It's wrong. And I just my 2 cents on that. Me I talk about it because it make me feel a way, It make me feel a way and me just voice my opinion on it. It's sad. It's wrong. You not do it here. You not do it to no one another. It's not fair. Make me tell my story if I want to tell it. And maybe you can learn from it.